Okay, so we ran that, and what happened was I got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whereas I want this to count like a human would, 1, 2, 3, up to 10. So let's go ahead and talk about why that happened. So in Python, this range function will create 10 numbers, but it always wants to start counting at 0. And since it counts at 0 to create 10 items, it will not create a number 10. So if I give this start value of 1, and we try running this again, and we get 1 all the way up through 9. So we need to update that second number and say 10 plus 1. And if we run this again, now we get that printed 10 times. Let's try 1,000.